Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see the steps to add a prorate unit and charge map in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in to the Fresa application. After a successful login, this is what our dashboard looks like. Now, navigate to the Accounts module. Choose the Accounts Settings menu. Select the Charge Map menu. On this page, choose the required charge and click the Edit icon. On the Charge Map Edit screen, select the required prorate unit and click Save Changes. The prorate unit will be added to the selected charge. These are the steps to add a prorate unit and charge map in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.